In the gentle glow of the early morning, Raveeha steps softly into the peaceful forest. The ground is cool beneath her feet, and beams of warm sunlight slip quietly between the trees. With a hopeful smile, she lifts her voice and calls out, "Where are you, my dear friends? Please come out. I'm looking for you." Her voice travels far, touching every leaf, every branch, every corner of the forest. For a moment, everything is silent, until the bushes move gently. A small deer steps out, delicate and shy, his big warm eyes shining with comfort. He bows his head slightly and says, "Raveeha, I'm right here. Your voice made my heart happy this morning." Before she can reply, a soft thump, thump, thump echoes from behind. A cheerful young kangaroo hops forward, waving both hands playfully. "Raveeha, I'm here too. I heard your call and came as fast as I could." Then, a calm shimmer of blue spreads across the trees, as a beautiful peacock steps gracefully into view, his feathers glowing like precious gems in the sunlight. He nods proudly and says, "Your voice reached me as well, Raveeha. I could not stay away." Raveeha's smile grows brighter as her beloved friends gather around her, each bringing warmth, love, and gentle energy to the forest. As Raveeha stands with her 3 friends, a flutter of wings fills the air. Tiny sparrows descend from the treetops, twirling gently as they land around her feet. With soft, musical chirps they say, "We heard you calling, Raveeha. So we flew as fast as we could to be with you." Their delicate little bodies dance between patches of sunlight. The forest becomes brighter, more alive. And then, a soft glow spreads through the air. A beautiful cloud of butterflies drifts toward them, their wings sparkling like painted glass. One golden butterfly stops right in front of Raveeha and speaks softly. "Your voice traveled with the wind, and it led us straight to you." Raveeha gently extends her hand, and the butterflies swirl joyfully around her. Then suddenly, a quick rustling sound is heard above them. A lively squirrel leaps from a tall oak branch, landing gracefully on the forest floor. With bright eyes she says, "I heard so many happy voices together. I knew something wonderful was happening." Her excitement makes everyone smile. Moments later, the leaves nearby shift slowly, and from behind a moss-covered stone, a wise old tortoise appears. His steps are slow but full of dignity. His voice is deep and warm. "Raveeha, joy has spread across the forest today. I followed the sound of friendship, and it brought me here." Raveeha nods respectfully, grateful for every friend who has joined her. The forest now feels alive, laughing, glowing, welcoming. Suddenly, 2 playful parrots swoop down from the treetops, their feathers flashing bright red and green. They circle the group in perfect rhythm before landing on a low branch. With cheerful, echoing voices they say, "Raveeha, we felt the happiness spreading, so we hurried to join the fun." They mimic silly sounds, making the kangaroo giggle, the deer blush shyly, and the squirrel bounce with joy. Then something magical happens. A soft breeze begins to move through the tall trees. Their leaves shimmer, whisper, and glow, almost as if the forest itself is speaking. In deep, warm tones the trees hum, "Dear Raveeha, we are here too." Raveeha places a hand over her heart, feeling the forest embrace her with love. She steps gently into the center. And all her friends. The deer, kangaroo, peacock, sparrows, butterflies, squirrel, parrots, and even the whispering trees form a perfect circle around her. A golden light spreads through the forest as all voices rise together in harmony. Side by side, hand in hand. We are friends, forever and always. The forest glows softly, sparkling with warmth and magic. As Raveeha whispers, "This is the true magic of friendship."